It's everyone's dream to make over their room. Is your room considered your dream place? Let's stay tuned with us because we will turn your dream into reality. It sounds like your dream has come true. Yeah, we'll mold your room as you want. Different types of parquet flooring patterns are your best partner to mold your room. That's your taste. If you want to make your room look amazing, choose parquet flooring. You can get a unique and elegant touch for your room with parquet flooring. Parquet flooring gives your home a luxurious feel that nods to time trends. Suppose you want to go with these numerous patterns of parquet flooring. Then here, laid a type of beautiful flooring. That makes your floor a great grabber for anyone. Are you curious to see numerous design patterns of parquet flooring? So, we will highly appreciate your patience. So, here are some stunning patterns to check out. Herringbone pattern of parquet flooring. It will help if you go with this parquet herringbone pattern to add a classic touch to your floor. With a herringbone pattern, you can quickly achieve a classic look to your place. Arranging interlocking diagonals will draw the eye in a specific direction throughout the room. If you want to be more adventurous, you can combine different finishes applied to the parquet blocks. An alternating half and half herringbone can look simply stunning, especially in the right setting. Basket wave. Now you will get the basket wave pattern of parquet flooring. It is equally traditional with the excellent way a basket is woven. But it is not enough here, you can assemble it in something that looks good to your eyes. With this pattern, the choice of where to stagger each block row is up to you. Now, you will decide what precisely the assembling of each block is because each pattern has its unique style and it's ultimately down to your preferences. Because your preferences are all our concerns. Brickworks and leader. You feel amazed to know that this parquet pattern surprisingly gets its name from how bricks are stacked. In this pattern, each block straddles the two blocks directly below and above, creating a pattern of shortened lines regularly intersecting perpendicular lines. The latter pattern can be stunning with the correct block in the right setting. However, with this pattern, you should know some precautions and preparations as the blocks aren't supported on all sides without false tongues. Chevron. This chevron is perfect for your eye-catching flooring if you want to go with a timeless classic. You can choose individual chevrons blocks of standard sizes and get the engineered chevron broad that we sell. Different chevron blocks have to be laid one by one, while the chevron board already glued together in a row on a board. This allows for increased ease of fitting, but this is, of course, down to your taste. We offer chevron boards made from either oak or walnut, two stunning but sustainable species. Now get ready to decor your floor with different parquet patterns. It will now be easier for you to visualize your room as you envision it. To make your space a palace, all your rooms deserve to be adorned with luxurious styles. You can brighten your place with all these beautiful and unbeatable parquet patterns. Quality durability is perfectly met on this stunning parquet flooring pattern. So, stop using all those old boring patterns for your flooring. Embellish your place that stands out.